So today we are discussing about instance initializer block. So what is instance initializer block? Instance initializer block is used to initialize the instance data member. It run each time when object of the class is created. The initialization of the instance variable can be done directly, but there can be performed extra operations while initializing the instance variable in the instance initializer block. So what is the rule of that instance initializer block? First is it is created when instance of a class is created, and second is it is invoked after the parent class constructor is invoked. So we previously know that inside the current class constructor the first line will be written as super means parent class constructor, super means parent class constructor. So first is parent class constructor members will be initialized, then child class constructor will be executed remaining lines. So whenever it is invoked after the, so whenever there is a instance initializer block, so after the super constructor calling and it is executed the parent class constructor, then only this instance initializer block will be executed, and then the remaining portion of the object will be executed. So here is an example of this. So this is the example of class bike. Inside the class bike there is int speed and bike constructor will be there, and inside the constructor there is print speed is plus and speed is this will be written inside the constructor, and this is our initializer block, instance initializer block, and inside that there are only written speed equal to 10. So whenever we are executing main method, inside the main method bike b1 equal to new bike constructor, whenever this will be executed the print method bike constructor will be executed, and print speed is plus speed means this speed of value will be printed there, and second is bike b2 equal to new bike constructor. So whenever these two lines are executed, first is this object will be created and this line will be printed. Next is this object will be created and this line will be printed. This pattern will be output will be there. So what is the first what is the style of like what is first invoked, instance initializer block or constructor? So first instant initializer block will be executed, then only constructor is invoked. Means first is parent class constructor, then instant initializer block, then current class constructor will be executed. Whenever we are creating every object, for every object there will be an instance initializer block is executed, and this will be printed for constructor calling. So in that fashion the instance initializer block will be executed. So whenever we need to write some specific number or some specific extra operations, so we don't write inside object only. We specifically write inside instant initializer block, and then it is executed several times as object will be created.